Once the tariffs are implemented, will we see continued, knee-jerk reaction on the downside, even when we open back on, on Thursday as well, beyond this 1% cut? Or do you think most of the negatives are already priced in?
No, I think see markets have more or less discounted the tariffs now, but eventually I think 24,500 on the Nifty Sakshi is very important. I think unless we hold to that level, because I think now crossing 25,000 in the very near term is a challenge on the upside. But on the downside, I'm pretty hopeful that 24,500 will be a very strong support level. Today we are around 24,700. So I think hopefully if the market corrects, I think 2400 will be a strong support level investors should watch out. And beyond that, I think if there is a correction, then I think we could see a continued trend of selling. But I don't think this can happen. There is a lot of liquidity in the markets, from domestic funds, and I think a lot of selective buying is also happening. So I think clearly once 24,500, if at all it comes in the very near term, markets would definitely get a little bit of bounce back from buying from the domestic funds as well as a lot of good HNI investors. So there's nothing to worry. But yes, in the near term, markets will continue to be volatile. I think till the time the Indian government also does not announce any big solutions to take care of the Indian exporters, I think the markets will be little jittery.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.